Hi friends, we are now talking about the parking tiles. Now we are seeing that one is a parking tile. See how many varieties of parking tiles are there. Mainly the parking tiles are useful in the pathways, outdoor seating in driveways, where in hotels also we can see outside of they'll put a parking tiles only, and we can use for a workshop flooring and sports area. Everything we can use. Why we are using the parking tiles? It has because it is very durability, and it will resist a heavy load. So we will keep in outside of the means outside the area of the house only we will keep that parking tiles. It is easy to maintain. It is protection against the strains, chemicals, and wear and tear. So we will use this type of a parking tiles in outside of the hoses, and it is having a high strength, and it is a lasting life, and it is a non slippery and non cracking. So we will use a parking tiles, where parking tiles we can use in a sports area also, and bathroom, and we can use as well as in kitchen. See how many parking tiles of varieties of it. Why we use parking tiles in outsider? It is very easy to maintain, and it has a, you can clean easily, and it is a protection against the strains, chemicals, and it is a protection against the wear and tear. Tiles means it is a porcelain ceramic, and we can use any material for that. It is lightweight material, and we can easily carry. So we will be, and comparing to economy, it is in our economy budget only. So it's very easy to put outside of a house. You can see in my video how many parking tiles varieties of it, and you can select any of them. Thank you for watching, friends.